Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Huawei ID signed in, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location active. Once done, open Settings, tap Security and Privacy, then Smart Unlock. You're starting the process now, don't pause for extra setup. Grant the requested permissions immediately when prompted so the feature can detect trusted devices and places. Make sure device visibility is on. This lets your phone learn nearby accessories and avoid repeated prompts. This initial step prepares the system to register a trusted device so unlocking becomes seamless. Tap Trusted Devices, then Add Device. Choose Bluetooth, NFC, or Nearby Detection. Once your accessory appears, pair it and confirm the prompt. This allows the phone to trust that device's signal strength and identity. Make sure to label each entry so you can manage them later. You should repeat for a watch, car system, or home speaker. After adding, test by locking and approaching to verify the phone stays unlocked automatically. To finish, test Smart Unlock across typical scenarios, at home, in the car, and near your watch. If it doesn't unlock reliably, move closer or repair the device. Signal variability often causes failure. Once done, fine-tune by removing and re-adding any device that misbehaves, and clear the Smart Unlock cache and app settings if available. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the phone and ensure system updates are installed. That fixes many connection and permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.